Hey guys, this is Joe with the Auction Barn. I want to show you this really nice 1999 manufactured by Kit Manufacturing out of Caldwell, Idaho. And so made in Idaho, and really a nice, clean, really nice layout here. I don't know if you can see this slide. That slide is about, well, how many feet is that? Let's see if I can get you an idea. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's a 14-foot slide. So that gives you a lot of space inside here. I don't see any evidence of water leaks anywhere on the ceiling, on anything. Around the vents is all tight. The gentleman that bought it put in this, he bought it in 2012, I think it was, and he was only able to take it out once. He wasn't able to really use it the way he wanted to. So he actually had it at his house. They stayed in it a few times at his house. He put in this nice catalytic safety heater here, Olympia. It's a Wave 8. That's probably only been used a handful of times there at the house. He said the fridge is all working right here. You have to switch it from gas to electric on the outside. It doesn't do it automatically, he said, but it does work. He put in a brand new stove, and stove hasn't even been used yet. It's not even discolored from being kicked on. Got a microwave in it. AC works. Nice shower set up right here, as you can see, on the bathroom. And then you got the bedroom here in the back. Again, there's not any evidence anywhere of any moisture damage on any of the walls that I can see anywhere. You do have a second entrance and exit from the bedroom area. The slide isn't, we're not sure what's going on. I had to manually crank the slide out right here, in and out. It won't do it on its own. It just clicks. It won't engage. So might just need to be lubed from lack of use or something like that. This does have a stabilizer in the back, as well as stabilizers in the front, so you can get it nice and stable. Batteries, I believe, have had a charge in it when I picked it up, but it wasn't enough. I mean, it was not. We even put a jumper pack on it to see if that was the problem with the slide, and we couldn't get it to engage. He hasn't used the septic for a while, so I did notice that the seal on this is kind of stuck. And okay, that one's working. The gray water seems to be working, but the black water kind of got seized up a little bit. It's got good rubber, I believe, on the tires. I'm not exactly sure how old they are, but they look like they're pretty decent. What else can I tell you about it? Just a nice overall trailer, clean. Again, no major issues. Oh, it does have the awning needs a little bit of work. It's starting to tear off there, but it does have a full awning, goes all the way across there. So I believe this is a 28 footer. I'll try and grab my tape and measure it, but there you have it. Thanks, guys.